Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Per usual, crazy dogs. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the FabFitFun box. But first let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is a quarterly box, so it comes 4 times a year. And it's $49.99 for that box. You get 8 to 10 full-sized products in here, valued at $200 or more. You are able to customize some of the products, so there could be an option of 3 products and you get to pick which one you want in your box, which is awesome. I think this is the only box I subscribe to that you really get to do that with, so that's pretty cool. And then you also get access to exclusive sales and add-ons to your box. I did do add-ons this month. It's the first time I've done add-ons, but that will be a separate video I will do later, okay? So without further ado, let's just hop right into it. So here's what it looks like on the inside. It says FabFitFun, a taste of summer up there. And then here's what the inside looks like. You always get this like, it's kind of like a magazine in here, right? And it, I believe, yeah, it'll have right here what's in the box and the values of everything. So, all right. Let's just hop right into it. So right here I have a card for $10 off your first box. There's a code on the back, but right now if you use the code BEACHBABE, you can get $10 off this box, and I'll put a link below so you can get the box if you want to. All right. These always come packaged so nicely. All right. So the first thing I got was, let's see, this Coola, which I believe everybody was getting in their box. It is a 50 SPF sunscreen, and it is non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and made with recycled material, the packaging. So I'm excited about that. I use SPF a ton. I live in Arizona where the sun is always out, so I'm always using SPF. So let's go ahead and see what this smells like. Probably just smells like SPF. I don't know why I think it would smell like anything else, but yep, it just has that. Actually smells a little bit more fresh. Like it smells like SPF, but it smells really nice. So that's cool. I'm excited about that. And this is valued at $32, so that's cool. The next thing I'm gonna share is another thing that everyone got in their box, and that's this from Pier 1 Imports. It is a, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. So it's a marble ring dish. So nice to just put it your nightstand or whatever and put your rings or any jewelry, earrings that you don't want to wear overnight in it. So that's cool. This is valued at $14.99. So that's exciting. I will definitely use that. Okay. So next item that everybody got. Oops, sorry, we're a little stuck together here. And that is this. It is from Foreo, I think is how you say it. It is the Foreo Luna. Let me read. I'm reading what the little magazine says about it. So, you're one of the first to get your hands on Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna. So this, what is this? I think it's some sort of like skin scrub, facial cleansing brush. Interesting. Let me see if I can, it doesn't want to open up for me. This is complex packaging. We all know how I do with that. So it looks like this is like your activation piece in here, right? Oh, the little right here on the front is really soft. Interesting. I will have to play around with this. I'm not, oh, there it goes. It's on. That's cool. Uh-oh, turn off. Okay, so I will play around with that some more. This is valued at $89, so that's awesome. I will definitely play around with that so I can understand it more. I'm not the most technologically advanced person, but I'm sure my husband can help me with it. Okay, so those are the 3 items that everybody got. The Foreo, the Coola, and the ring dish. So if you sign up for this box, you will definitely get these 3 items. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the choice items. So the first choice item, might be the only choice item. This is a makeup bag from Yumi Kim. It retails for $58, and with this choice, you had the choice between this and a beach towel. I live in Arizona where there's almost no water, so I thought I'd get more use out of this, or I could give it away. It's really nice. It's like a vinyl train style case, so that's cool. I might just put this to the side for the giveaway. I don't know. We'll see, but I do like it. It's very pretty. Okay, then the next items, you could have a choice if you were a select member. So a select member is somebody who pays their annual fee all at once. So if you pay $200 for the whole year, then you'll have choices in these options. So I don't think I had any choices on any of these, so maybe I did. I think maybe I had a choice on this. I don't remember. But anyways, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. I'm actually not gonna open this up because I was researching this morning because I thought I had picked this, but I couldn't remember. It's been quite a while. And it's not cruelty free, I don't believe. And I think it's lavender scented, which I don't like either. So I'm just gonna put this to the side for a giveaway. It does retail for $39. If you, it says you can use it for neck stiffness, tension headaches, all that stuff. So look forward to seeing this in a future giveaway. Okay, the next item we have, let's see. Okay, well this is random. I thought this was garbage for a second. It's like a straw. I think it's a paper straw. So this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. So it's just a paper straw with little turtles on it. I'm not sure if you can see the little turtles, but yeah, that's kind of cute. So, all right. I don't think this is part of any of the value. I think, oh, here it says, plastic straw has a lot more impact than you'd think. Imagine a graceful sea otter swimming through the ocean. It mistakes a plastic straw for a delicious meal. The next thing you know, the sea otter accidentally ingests the plastic and has a 50% chance of survival. It's a serious problem for the ocean, the wildlife, and for us. Below we share other issues our environment faces due to plastic waste. So that's really cool. I don't know if you guys heard about, I think it was a whale recently that washed ashore and it had like 50 plastic bags in it, and that was why it died. So I'm definitely all about, you know, using less plastic, less waste in general. So that's cool. And I like it's just a little reminder, like, hey, recycle, don't throw your trash away or your plastic, you know, into a landfill or on the ground or anything like that. So that's cool. Okay, so back to the actual stuff in the box. So this is the Vasanti Brighten Up. It is a enzymatic face rejuvenator, exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. This is cruelty-free and vegan, so I will go ahead and open this up. Just see what it smells like. It smells almost florally, but not in a bad way, and it is it's got like the small little particles for exfoliating. So yeah, I like this brand a lot. It smells good, so I definitely will use that. This is a hair protectant spray. I'm trying to read the back of it. This is applied to wet or dry hair, and this is valued at $34. it feels like a creamy kind of spray, so that's kind of cool. Let me see what it smells like. It smells just like nice and clean, so I don't use a ton of heat on my hair, but when I do, I would definitely use this. I will have to research to see if it's cruelty-free. It doesn't say on the actual packaging, so. And I'll put that information down below. Okay, so the last thing I got in here, and I was really excited when I just saw this in the box, is the Tarteist Pro Glow. It is a highlight and contour palette. Let's go ahead and open this up. I love Tarte. I know I say that almost every time I open anything Tarte, but let's go ahead and, how pretty. So it looks like this on the inside. It's got 2 mirrors on the outside. It smells like almost chocolatey. So these 2 bottom shades down here are like the cream contour, and then the color Shade and Sculpt, and then these are all the highlighter colors. So we got Fire, Stunner, Strobe, and Lit, and I'll go ahead and swatch a couple of these so we can get a sense for what they look like. So they are very pigmented. I know they look almost the same on camera, but this is like the most awkward way to do this. So yeah, that's really cool. They're very, very pigmented. I'll go ahead and do the other 2 colors just so we can see some. They're very creamy, guys. Do you see how creamy those are? Very pigmented, so that's exciting. I don't use highlighter a ton, but I definitely don't contour at all, but I'm definitely excited, you know, just to play around with it. I'm sure you could use them on your eyes a little bit, or like highlight your brow bone, all that stuff. So that's excited. You had the option to get this or the Tarteist Pro To Go palette and a Sex Kitten liquid liner. Yeah, and this is valued at $45, and I forgot to mention this was valued at $29. So overall, I really like this box. I don't think, let's see. The only thing I don't really care for is this, and that's because it's not cruelty-free. Everything else I really like. And this I will have to research on its cruelty-free status, but this was $34. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. I will put all the values of everything down below just because I'm really disorganized today for some unknown reason. But yeah, so I do have a link if you want to sign up. I do have to say that I am a FabFitFun partner, so I do get a small commission if you use my link to sign up. And like I said earlier, there's the code BEACHBABE to get $10 off your box. And yeah, and I will be filming the add-ons part later. I got a couple things, so I will be doing that for you guys, so look forward to that video too. Anyways, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys later. Have a good one, guys. Bye.